So today I'm back working on the Equinox here. We got to pull the fenders off, the doors off. I pulled the suspension back apart because I got to fix this. I kind of cut it here, and the suspension was bent, and then a new CV axle finally. And pull the front bumper cover off. And this fender needs to be replaced too. It actually didn't wreck this door or anything, just a couple little scuffs, which I think will come out. But let's finish pulling this bumper cover off, and both headlights and both fenders in that one door. And I think it put a little bit of a dent in the inside of the cab here, but we'll see better once I get that door off. Got a little more work done on this Equinox here. Got the panels on and the door lined up. Need to fix a few more things. This is bent down here, but besides that, it's pretty good. Got to change the two mounts on the radiator. It just got pushed back here. You can just change the bottom clips. But I'll probably paint all the panels some more for it. And just need to pull this dent out right here. Paint that back door too. But all the airbags are done. Just waiting on the seat belts, the driver and passenger seat belt to come back. And then the rest can go together.